Okay, we're starting in degrees, and we want to end up in radians. What's the factor that I multiply times? Say again? Pi over 180, right? If you got to remember that you're starting with degrees in the numerator, so you have to multiply by the fraction that has degrees in the denominator so that you cancel those units. And then the radians is in the numerator. That'll leave the answer in radians. And this is as good a time to say it as any, but sometimes they'll say like RAD next to it to say that this is radian measure. Most of the time they don't. It's understood to be radians, especially if there's a pi in it. It's just understood to be radians. Okay. So let's see. 135 degrees times pi over 180. Do it like this, right? That's 135 over 180 times pi. Right? What is 135 over 180? Right? If I do this, 135 divided by 180, and then I'll go math, enter, enter. That's 3/4. So that is 3 pi over 4. Right, so 135 degrees is 3 pi over 4. If you wanted to turn that completely into a decimal, then you would actually multiply times the pi. So if I went back here and said, now I'm going to say times and second pi. So that was wrong. Where's pi? I can't see it on there. Pi is, on the caret. So 3/4. And that would turn it into a decimal. 2.36. Now, I think in the homework problem, some of them say, give your answer in terms of pi, meaning give this answer, right? And then some say turn it into a decimal. Right? If they say in terms of pi, that means keep the pi in the answer. Right? That's the decimal value. How about this one? Negative 270 multiply times edit, undo, times pi over 180. Right? Again, by multiplying by something that has degrees in the denominator, the units cancel, and our answer will be in radians. Right? What's negative 270 over 180? Say again. Negative 3 over 2. So that's negative 3 pi over 2. And again, you could turn that into a decimal by multiplying times pi. And you should know in the calculator, where do you find that? Right? Don't resort to doing 3.14. Just use the pi key to get all the accuracy that's in there.